Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel Himali Raheja. मैं हूँ Himali and I welcome you all to yet another episode of Thai with Himali after a very long time. I have some chai. I just turned 19, which is crazy. Today is the 8th of April and I'm going to be talking to you guys more about it after I have this chai while enjoying to some music. So let me get to that. Alright, I have changed the position that I was in. मैं नीचे थी, अब मैं ऊपर आ गई हूँ. I have not vlogged in so long that I honestly don't know what all to say. But for starters, I have turned 19. I'm finally 19. I was dreading being 19 for a very long time. And इस वाले vlog के बाद I'm gonna public kind of a life updates, kind of a like journal entry. I don't know what it is, but I'll do that. I'm wearing mama ke kapde literally. I'm home. I'm ill and I'm going back tomorrow to college and I'm not coming back for the whole of April because I have this wheat allergy और घर के पास में मंडी है तो wheat comes इधर, so I'm not coming back home, which is just crazy because I won't be home the next whole month almost. I might visit Masi beach में. That's not about it. Things are very different from the last vlog I posted, and this vlog right here might just be a beginning of a different, totally new era because I'm shifting rooms in hostel. I have a lot of plans with content. I am going to implement them. I am sure. We are not hopeful this time. We are sure and we are firm about it. And to get into all of that flow state, this vlog is like a preparatory kind of a thing that I'm going to do. So the first thing, I have my journal over here, the 2026 diary, in which I'm going to be journaling all of my thoughts and clear this head of mine because the last 2 days were crazy. Like, I didn't vlog my birthday this year, but the last 2 days were crazy. It was Papa's retirement party and it was amazing, like amazing. Anyways, I am gonna get to journaling. After how overwhelming and how overstimulating the last 2 days were, this journaling session was very much needed. I had to get everything out of my head on a piece of paper so that I was going to the hostel back into the college chaos with a sane headspace, free from all of the highs that I felt in the last 2 days. Alrighty, I am done journaling. I've come downstairs. मेरी माता कल उज्जैन जा रही हैं, so I have to help her pack. And I have to clean out my gallery also. My phone has no storage. I'm going to be deleting all the previous vlogs except for the Diwali and the Vaishno Devi trip that I took. मैंने ये 2 चीज़ें vlog की थी. Apart from these 2, I'm going to delete every single vlog because none of that is something that I would want to look back to. So मैं वो सब delete कर दूँगी. There will be storage. Everything will be clean. This is the new era. Follow me on Instagram. I'm starting a new series. उसको भी मैंने just edit करके post किया है, the intro episode. And yeah, let me go help my mother pack and clean out my phone. It's gonna take amidst all of the chaos and the packing and everything that is supposed to be done, we have these many bouquets which Papa got on the retirement party, and I'm gonna be using these 3 glasses and a few more to assemble and make small bouquets. I love doing this. I've never done it इतने सारे flowers के साथ, but I'm playing some peaceful bhajans and we're gonna get to this. So let's do it. I just love this. This is crazy. We've been working, we've been working, yeah, we've been working, yeah, we've been. Last night we sent our sorrows to the stars, took our fears out to the forest, and we left them out to ride. Dragged them to the desert, let the vultures pick them dry. Sent our secrets to the sky, sent our secrets to the sky. Last night I went to build up a rocket ship, took a trip through the stars, sent my secrets to Mars, pulled up right off the Milky Way, then I put it in bar. Told my son is 10:30 right now. I'm making some chai for mama, and I've had dinner. Everybody was sitting and we were packing and everything. मेरा पूरा सामान फैला हुआ है. I still have to pack. I'm leaving at 5:30 tomorrow morning. I'm going with mama, so I don't have to do the bus wala hassle. I have this watch now. Also, I'll also add the videos of what all we did.
In the interim, chasing sky high vibes, yeah. By all means, trying to flex like Hot 97. By all means, triple threat, Malcolm X. By all means, can't stop till I got the top spot right next to Miss Erica Incense and Prince. Product of joy, magic and muscle. Van McCoy with the hustle. We've been working. Small as pinky rings. My people play their position. Puzzle pieces complete the vision. Yeah, we've been working like the inner child.
Yeah, so that is what I was up to, as well as packing and like other stuff. So I'm making chai, and after that I'm gonna go and pack my things. So hi, it is 3:10. I am whispering because everybody else is sleeping at home. I did not sleep the whole night because I was supposed to wake mama up, but मेरा सामान अभी तक फैला हुआ है. I still have to pack, and I'm hungry, so I'm gonna go make some coffee. Then we'll get to packing, take a bath, get ready, and then we're gonna leave. Now let's pack this bag, all of these clothes, and this.
In the light of the moon.
Disclaimer, it's gonna be hell of a day because I'm shifting my rooms in hostel today. Hopefully. Yeah, let's just go. We are off to go. Bye, bhaiya. I am sitting in the car right now waiting for the person to come, जिनके साथ हम सब लोग दिल्ली जाने वाले हैं. And then we're gonna go to Delhi. We might take a stop. I won't be vlogging much because obviously I'll be with mama ke friends, and I might just sleep because I've not slept the whole night because I have a long day to look forward to. I have no idea when I'm gonna reach college, but I just hope it's before 10 so that I can take the only one class that I have today. After that we'll be unpacking and like we have other stuff to do. I've just turned 19 and like life is just crazy to me. Love this, honestly love this for myself, just love this. I've reached ISBT. I'm going to the college, metro से just मेरी get हमें चल गया. So yeah. I went for a class जो 1 घंटे की थी, but stats की क्लास थी, and ma'am gave us 5 questions to solve with a new formula. तो आधा घंटा तो figure out करने में लगा, and then I like did the questions. It's 12:15 right now. I'm back in the hostel. I am just taking whatever stuff I can नीचे. I still don't know what side to keep the stuff in, so I'll have to figure that out. But मैं नीचे सामान लेकर जा रही हूँ. I love the fact that I'm shifting my rooms. Like, love it, absolutely love it. So I'm just doing that, and most of my day is gonna go around with that.
2,000 years later.
I have gone upstairs and downstairs with these 2 bags. भर के ऊपर से नीचे 4 बार. This is my 4th round. I am pretty dead. It's almost 6. I'm gonna have some water now, and then go downstairs to have snacks. Then I have an online class. I look like I'm tired because I am, and you guys know that I've not slept as well. I also have all of this mess and all of that mess, so I cannot rest till this is over. Then I have a sec assignment due, so it's gonna be a hell of a day. What's up, everybody? Yes, I am in a different attire, but it is the same day. I came to the common room because मुझे sec का screen play का video record करना था. तो I got into this avatar of a girl जो थोड़ी I don't know the word I'll write it screen पे, but I like the way this looks. I have to go upstairs, edit the sec ka screenplay. I have to clean the room. Still a lot to do, but I'm pretty tired, so I'm just gonna go lay down, edit, and then figure out the room ka situation. I'll go and show you guys the room ka situation. Everything is down, बस cooler बचा है, वो लेकर आना बचा है. Other than that, I am done, and I might as well just go to college like this tomorrow. I like the way I look. Let's go, let's get shit done, and then we're gonna sleep because we're very, very tired. It's been a long day. Good morning, everybody. This is the next day. I have 20 minutes to get ready for my class, so I'll quickly do that and I'll see you guys.
You know
Alright you guys, I am going back to the room. It's 12 right now. मैं क्लास लेके वापस आ चुकी हूँ. This is the fit that I'm wearing. It's really hot right now in Delhi. You can see धूप पड़ रही है मेरे face पर. I'll go in the room. I'll clean the desk. I cleaned everything else रात को. I just have to clean the desk. And then I have a class at 1:30. So I'm gonna go upstairs, clean, and get to doing my practical. उसके बाद I just have one class and then I'm free for the day. So let's see what we'll do today. I have to record a reel for the psychology page I have. So that is also something that I have to do. But yeah, let's go and have a productive day today. I am filling the exam form मेरे सामने laptop पर. Opened the website. I have not filled the exam form yet. आज बंद हो जाएगा तो I'm filling that. उसके बाद I'm gonna clean all of that. And yeah, otherwise everything is downshifting. I am done with filling my exam form. Now it's time to clean. So let's get to it.
my son, I'ma see him as soon as you put a rise. See, we too fly for the function, so
I have cleaned my desk space. मैंने timetable और calendar भी लगा दिया है. मेरे को nail paint लगानी है, yes. And the bed is clean, the chair is clean, and I am ready to go for the class. इस सब मैं इसको ignore कर दूँ, मुझे अपनी शक्ल दिखानी है, but okay, bye. I am back in the hostel. I just have to do the lunch. मैंने खाना नहीं खाया तो बस lunch करते हैं. उसके बाद we'll go upstairs and then we'll see what we're gonna do. I think मैं practical लिखने वाली हूँ, but let's see.
drive to the drum line now. We've been working, we've been working, we've been working, yeah, we've been working, yeah, we've been. Last night I took my pen and my pencil and took a trip out the.
Went downstairs to have some snacks. And अब I am back in the room. I'm gonna work on the practical again. Everything is still a mess. I was taking like a break थोड़ी देर से. I'm gonna apply my nail paint, take an online class that we have with a teacher. मैं जिनका practical लिख रही हूँ. And उसके साथ साथ I'm gonna write the practical. So that is what I'm gonna do.
By all means, can't stop till I got the top spot right next to Miss Erica Incense and Prince, product of joy, magic and muscle.
अब जाके सुबह से बेड पे लेटी हूँ. I have to get up again because attendance का टाइम हो रहा है. I have to go downstairs. My practical is 70% done. जो ड्राफ्ट चेक करा रखा है उसका, तो I have to write that. अभी अटेंडेंस के लिए जा रहे हैं. उसके बाद I'll come upstairs. I'll write the script for the reel. So yes, that is what I'm gonna do. It just has been a productive day. I'm happy with how the day has been. My hair don't look good. I have to take a bath as well. But yeah. This is the next day and I am in the garden area. इसको shades lawn बोलते हैं because यहाँ पे shades वाली society की meets होती है. Anyways, I'm here with my laptop. I was recording the reel for Waves and Wires. But that is not the point of this clip. I am actually ending this vlog right over here. It's been, I don't know, 3-4 days since I've been vlogging. and it was actually very fun to come back to vlogging after so damn long. It just felt really nice to be vlogging everything and just recording live. It is a good day today honestly, and I've honestly enjoyed vlogging a lot. Also इस वाले vlog के बाद 2 पुराने vlog आने वाले हैं. One is दिवाली का vlog of last year 2025 and one is a vlog of वैष्णो देवी trip that I took with my family. उसके अलावा कोई भी vlog मैं पुराना नहीं डाल रही हूँ because none of that aligns with me anymore and मेरे को storage चाहिए. So yeah, I'm not going to post any more vlogs apart from those 2 पुराने, and then we just have आपका content. So yes, have fun joining the community and like subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like this vlog, and I'll see you guys with a brand new video very 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 soon. I promise. Next Sunday, it is every Sunday there's going to be a video, I promise. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys with a brand new video very very soon. Until then, take care of yourself, spread love, and just be yourself. Bye.